3 types of tech fields you need to know. IT career path explained in a simple story. If you are starting a career in IT world, you may be confused with so many different fields in this industry. What are they really about? What are the differences among them? Which field should I go in? Good questions. Finding the right field is key to furthering your career path. There are many different tech fields indeed, but mostly just 3 types of work. Let me explain, in a simple story, the story of Bella's bakery. In a small town, there is a bakery. Bella's bakery makes the best pastries. How did they do that? Let's find out in their typical day. In the early morning, Ian, the ingredient manager, prepares fresh baking ingredients. He brings them in, inspects them, cleans them, and stores them in the storage. Next, Bob, the baker, gets the ingredient into the kitchen. He transforms the ingredient into delicious pastries, using his magical baking processes. Then Ian prepares the pastries. He packs, labels, and displays the pastries deliciously on the shelves for sale. At end of the day, Faye, the facility manager, checks the store to make sure all the appliances, utilities, and buildings run well and are secured. All day long, Bella, the store owner, orchestrates everything: bread, baking, business, and building. Bella's bakery runs a lot like IT projects. From it you can see the 3 different types of IT fields. Ian works on the ingredients and pastries, which are just like data, the content in IT. If you love details and numbers, the data type of work may be for you. Bob works on magic baking, a process similar to magic software processing. If you love logic and coding, the software field can be your thing. The store facilities taken care of by Faye is just like the infrastructure systems in IT. If you like big thinking and systems, take cloud field for your consideration. How about Bella, the store owner? She is in charge of everything. If you like business and systems, you'd better work in business systems, the applications. A typical day of Bella's bakery quickly shows you 3 types of IT fields and their suitabilities. Surely there are many other types, but the basic IT work is simply data, software, and systems. So how to find out which tech field is for you? Money matters, but interest lasts. Ian, Bob, Faye, and Della, different fields but one thing in common: they all love what they work. To start your IT career path, here comes the simple question for you: which field type do you love to do?